If you're thinking about selling your home in the Phoenix Valley, this is a video you can't afford to skip. I'm Denny, your Phoenix relocation partner and tech-forward AI-certified realtor. Let's talk about what today's buyers actually want and how you can give them exactly that. Number 1, energy efficiency. Buyers are looking for homes that save money and make sense. Think solar panels, smart thermostats, and energy-efficient windows. In Arizona, that's a big win. Number 2, flexible space. Offices, home gyms, playrooms. Buyers want versatility. If your layout can adapt, you're ahead of the game. Number 3, outdoor living. Covered patios, turf yards, maybe even an outdoor kitchen. It's not just a bonus anymore, it's a lifestyle expectation in the Valley. Number 4, smart home tech. Smart locks, lighting, security systems. Buyers expect homes to be connected and convenient from day one. Number 5, low maintenance. Durable flooring, desert landscaping, and clean modern finishes. Buyers want beauty and simplicity. And number 6, modern style. Fresh paint, updated hardware, and contemporary lighting go a long way. You don't need a full remodel, just smart strategic updates. Here's the bottom line. Today's buyers are savvy. They're comparing features, not just prices. So if you want to sell fast and for top dollar, you need to meet the market where it is. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next video.